How have Ukrainian forces intensified their attacks in the Russia-Ukraine war recently? The changes might surprise you, revealing new tactics and technologies reshaping the battlefield. Ukrainian troops have significantly increased their use of drones to gather intelligence and target Russian positions more accurately. These drones provide live battlefield data, allowing for faster decision-making and reducing collateral damage. This shift to drone warfare has made Ukrainian attacks more precise and deadly, disrupting Russian supply lines and command centers more effectively than before. Ukrainian forces have integrated advanced artillery systems with improved communication tools. This allows for quicker targeting and synchronized barrages that overwhelm Russian defenses. The use of digital targeting and satellite data has increased the accuracy and lethality of artillery fire, making Ukrainian counterattacks both faster and deadlier. Ukrainian special operations units have intensified raids deep into Russian-controlled territory. These covert missions target supply routes, communication hubs, and key infrastructure, causing confusion and lowering morale among Russian troops. The increased frequency and success of these operations demonstrate a shift toward asymmetric warfare tactics that complement conventional attacks. The infusion of advanced weaponry and training from international allies has empowered Ukrainian forces to fight more effectively. Modern anti-tank weapons, improved communication gear, and drone technology from Western countries have enhanced Ukraine's tactical capabilities, allowing for more aggressive and coordinated offensives against Russian forces. The intensification of Ukrainian attacks is a combination of technology, tactics, and international support reshaping the conflict. These changes make the battlefield more dynamic and unpredictable. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and stay ahead with fascinating insights.